guys, and welcome back to my channel. So by the title you know, today we are going to talk about Modicare. Now I will explain everything about Modicare in a bit, but before that please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you really like this video because yeah, it wouldn't mean that much to you, but for me every like matters. So yeah, let's just start with the basic, that is what is Modicare. Now Modicare is the fastest growing direct selling company in India. It caters to a lot of products starting from wellness, health, nutrition, to house products, to cleaning products, to laundry products, to makeup, to skincare. Like there's a huge variety of products that Modicare owns. Now let me get few things right out of my way. I came across Modicare because of my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law has taken membership of Modicare, but in no ways are my opinions going to be biased in any form. They are going to be genuine opinion. Nobody is paying me to make this video, so why would I even fake it or why would I give any honest opinion? Yes, all of the products are good and none of them have worked bad for us, and if they have, I will honestly tell you in my videos, but few of them are just bomb. That even if my mother-in-law wasn't a member of Modicare, few of those products are just bomb, which we will buy no matter if we have a member in house or not, because they are that amazing. So it's my duty to bring across to you those products which work very well for me, because that is what my channel is all about. So yeah, let's just get this out of the way. I am not paid for this video and all the opinions are going to be very honest and genuine. It's not a sponsored video. Modicare have a complete guide on their website, and if you want me to review any of these particular products, let me know in comments below. Further, I will come up with a video wherein I'll share my favorites product from Modicare, like my most favorite, the must buy from Modicare. But just in particular you want a review of any of these products, let me know. I'll definitely make that for you guys. This video is all about the basics of Modicare and all the products that I own, and also a little bit about discussion about the quality and the pricing. So yeah, let's just get into the haul first of all. So let me start with health and wellness products, because during these times of COVID, that is what we are focused mainly upon, our health and wellness, because हम नहीं होंगे तो फिर क्या फायदा किसी भी चीज़ का. So the first thing that I have is this Amla juice. It's 1 liter for 300 MRP. I will be listing all the prices and quantity right on the screen so that I don't repeat it again and again. But this is the Amla juice. Now you know from my birthday vlog that we were having some COVID situations at home. So this Amla juice we gave to my husband every single morning. My mother-in-law also had it and I am also having it nowadays, because dietitians also recommend Amla juice. So yes, this is what I am going for. It does not taste really well, it does not taste really bad. It's like a little bland. You mix it in warm water and have it. So it comes with a measurer as well. So you have this 10 ml mark, 15 ml, 20 ml, 25 and 30 ml. And the amount that you have to take and when you have to take is all mentioned right here in the recommended use section. So it's 20 ml juice in a glass of water, empty stomach in morning, or keep a gap of 30 minutes between your meals and then take this juice. So yeah, this is one product that will only have health benefits because it's Amla juice. Next is this Noni juice. Again, it also has a lot of health benefits. I am taking this juice as well. I keep alternating my morning drinks between Amla juice, Noni juice, and then green tea with lemon, or then honey, lemon and warm water. I keep alternating my drinks. So whatever I feel like that day, I have it. Again, this one comes with a measurer as well, and how to use it, when to take it, how to store it, everything is mentioned on the product packaging. And let me show you the bottles as well. You can see, I don't know, you cannot see because it's dark brown, but this is almost over. Like I think only 2 or 3 shots of this juices left, because 3 of us were taking this juice. Once this gets over, we are going to move ahead to Noni juice, and this is only me taking this Noni juice once or twice a week. So we have a lot of Noni juice left right now. But yes, these are the packaging. This is a 1 liter of packaging of all these juices, and including such healthy juices right in morning is of course beneficial for your health. Next is Amla candies. Now this is something that I really love to munch on whenever I am hungry. Not munch on like you have 10 at one go, but yes, I do pick up one or two on the go, and having amla during these times is recommended for their health benefits. So what better than a amla candy? And even kids love it, so you can go ahead and make your kids try amla candies as well. Now this is a 500-gram product. Now why do I have two boxes? That is because this is the chatpata amla candy and this is the plain amla candy. It does not have any spices or chatpataness to it, whereas this is very chatpata and बड़ा ही स्वाद है ये खाने में. तो एक कैंडी की तरह है, जाते आते एक पॉप कर लो and you'll have the benefits of amla as well, and स्वाद भी है खाने में बहुत. Next are these tablets. Now nowadays everybody asks you to take a multivitamin, like even doctors recommend multivitamins, vitamin C and everything. So this is a multivitamin tablet that my mother-in-law is taking from a long time, and she actually sees an increase in her energy level. If you are looking for some good multivitamins, I would suggest you this one. They have not done any harm to us. Me, my husband, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, everybody is taking it, and they are good multivitamins. The next supplement that my mother-in-law is taking is this flax oil and the detox. She has finished it. I had to find this bottle from trash to show it to you guys. So it's almost yeah, it's empty. She has to refill her stock of detox. And this flax oil is something that she is again having it. This is how the tablet looks, and she's been having that from a long time. And yeah, these are some of the addition tablets that people do take for their health, and Modicare do have these tablets, and we haven't seen any side effects of any of it till now. So these are the few health and wellness products that we own. Of course, there are plenty of them, to each their own. Whatever you need for your body, you can go ahead and buy that. Let's move to a little bit of skincare. First is this Fruit of Earth Mood Mud Facial Bar. Now this comes with 4 little soap bars. I have 3 right now in this packing. 1 is used. So all you have to do is apply it on your face while you are taking bath, have a bath, and in the end wash your face. It cleans, exfoliates and moisturizes all in one go. So it's kind of a multi-purpose bar that you can use on daily basis to clean your facial skin. I barely use normal soaps for my skin. Either I go for a face wash, which is again less, or I use my Dove soap, which again I have replaced with this Modicare soap because it's extremely moisturizing as well. I like my soaps to be moisturizing, not drying, because my skin is already dry. So that is why I used to use Dove, but now I have shifted to the Modicare soap, which is soap wash. Now these are equally moisturizing and clean my face really well. So these are the soaps. When it comes to soap, my mother-in-law is using this soap wash glycerin and honey bar. She has a little issue of itching on her back, which has reduced to a great extent after using this soap and coconut oil. So it's working well for her. It's a very moisturizing and nourishing bar. If you have dry skin, you can give it a try. It pretty much looks like this. So yeah, and it smells really nice. The next we have is their hand and body lotion. So this is the hand and body lotion, extremely moisturizing, gets absorbed in your skin really well. And this is the face wash, the fairness gel, not the face wash. This is something that I haven't used by now, but I have it, so I'm showing it in my haul video. So this is fairness gel with licorice and aloe vera, and it also has an SPF of 14. Next is its coconut oil, which I love. This is again Fruit of the Earth coconut oil. It is amazing. I love this coconut oil. Coconut oil have this speciality of eradicating any marks that you have on your skin if you use coconut oil on daily basis. And this one in particularly works wonders. Like I can see my marks fading away slowly and steadily. So this one is working wonders for me, and this is something I use on daily basis after having bath, and even I use it for my daughter. The next we have is this 3-in-1 cleanser, toner and makeup remover. Again, I have not given it a shot. If you want me to review this product, let me know. This is how the bottle looks, and yeah, since I'm sharing the haul, I'm sharing all the products. Any review, most welcome. You can tell me in comments below. Next are these makeup melting wipes from Urban Color. Now Urban Color is their line of makeup. Like all the makeup products are from Urban Color. The liner, the kajal, everything. These are 30 wipes. These are very soothing. In particular, if you watch my channel, you would know not a lot of wipes work for me. They kind of sting on my skin, but this one is pretty smooth, doesn't sting till now. And detailed review I will come up with that either on my YouTube channel or on my Instagram, so make sure you follow everywhere. The next we have is this tea tree oil. Now this is a very concentrated tea tree oil that we use sometimes in our steamer, and sometimes even when we have a headache or when Sanvi has some nasal problem. Like sometimes she finds it hard to breathe, like from nose. She's like, मेरा nose dry हो रहा है. So I apply a little bit of tea tree oil right here, and it helps her breathe calmly. And same for my headache or anybody's headache for that matter, we use this tea tree oil. So the next product are these pads from Freedom. These are the extra large size and these are amazing. If you are somebody who face an issue of rashes, itchiness or redness during periods, then this is something that you should definitely give it a try. You won't get any rashes, you won't get any itchiness, nothing at all. Also, there won't be any odor or foul smell that we get during that time of the month, nothing at all, and it absorbs really well. So least chance of any kind of leakage. These are that amazing. If you are looking for some product that does all of it, then give this a shot. These are amazing. Next I'm going to show pretty random because all of that is mixed now. Next are these soul flavors, धनिया powder and garam masala. I think इनका मिर्ची भी आता है और इनके और भी मसाले आते हैं. We have used garam masala till now and it's amazing, superb. And बाकी के हम धीरे धीरे use कर रहे हैं. Next are these oil. This is the कच्ची घनी cold pressed mustard oil and this is the rice bran oil. We have shifted our oils as well. Also you should keep changing the companies of oil time to time because एक oil company ज़्यादा देर तक stick नहीं करनी चाहिए. You should keep shifting after 2-3 months. You can give these oils a try as well. These are pretty amazing. सरसों का तेल मस्त काम करता है हमारे लिए. हमारी सब्जियां सरसों के तेल में बनती हैं, so pretty good. Next is this honey. ये honey बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. It tastes really well. So salads में यूज़ करने के लिए it's amazing. Also it is this squeezy bottle. बस इसे खोलो एंड देन यू कैन स्क्वीज इट आउट आराम से, वरना चम्मच से डालना वाज अ टास्क. मैं तो हनी स्किप ही कर देती थी उस चक्कर में. बट दिस टेस्ट अमेजिंग इन सैलेड्स. इसका कोई भी पर्टिकुलर वियर्ड सा टेस्ट नहीं है. इट टेस्ट गुड एंड इसको डालना एंड यूज़ करना इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी ईजी. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी हैव बीन यूजिंग अ लॉट. इट्स ऑलरेडी हाफ द बॉटल. वी ऑलरेडी हैव वन इन स्टॉक. वी हैव ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड वन. या. So next are few of the cleansing products. Now these 3 cleansing products are something that are bomb. One of them is this Terry Clean Powerful Disinfectant Cleaner. Now this is something that we put in water when we are mopping the floor. It really cleans the floor very nice and वो marble को भी खराब नहीं करता है. Like there are lot of phenyl या कुछ कहते हैं कि marble खराब हो जाता है. This is something that it won't do. It's very nice. Next is this glass cleaner, Sparkle Glass Cleaner. इससे पहले हम लेट्स जस्ट नॉट कंपेयर द ब्रांड्स, बट इससे पहले हम जो भी यूज़ करते थे इससे बेटर ही है ये. दिस इज़ अमेजिंग. दिस इज़ वन प्रोडक्ट दैट वर्क्स बॉम्ब. सो इफ़ यू आर समथिंग टू स्टार्ट विद इन मोदी केयर, गो एंड बाय दिस बिकॉज ग्लासेस एकदम चकाचक हो जाएंगे. और आजकल के घरों में तो इतने ग्लासेस लगे होते हैं दैट यू हैव टू मेंटेन देम ऑन डेली बेसिस, अदरवाइज वो बहुत गंदे लगने लग जाते हैं. द नेक्स्ट इज दिस मल्टीपर्पज़ क्लीनर. नाउ दिस बेसिकली वी यूज़ फॉर क्लोथ्स. इसके बहुत सारे यूजेस हैं, पर जिसके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं दैट इज़ कि वेन एवर वी हैव वन any stain of chocolate or anything on clothes, before washing it you have to apply this cleaner on that mark and you have to leave it for some time and then wash it off. All the stains will be gone. So yeah, it is written at the back of it. It's a stain removal. Apply full strength before washing to remove ink, chocolate, lipstick, shoe polish or grease from washable color fast materials. So yeah, and it can be used for multiple things. It's mentioned, usage directions are mentioned on the back of the bottle. Everything is with the ingredients. Nothing is hidden from in these products. All the ingredients and everything is mentioned on their products packaging, so nothing is hidden. That is the best part. नेक्स्ट एंड द लास्ट आई सपोज, नहीं उसके बाद एक और भी है, लास्ट में लाते हैं उस प्रोडक्ट को विच इज़ द बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट, बट उससे पहले लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू द सोप वॉश. नाउ दिस इज द 3-in-1 वॉश. दिस इज हैंड वॉश, शावर जेल एंड बबल बाथ. सो यू कैन यूज इट फॉर 3 पर्पसेस. आप अपने हैंड वॉश के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, आप अपने शावर के लिए भी, और बबल बाथ के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड दीज कम इन वेरियंट्स. आई हैव पिंक वन इन माई वॉशरूम and they smell amazing. I think that's cranberry flavor and this is green apple flavor. Last product is this Beyond Blue, which is amazing, like amazing. It leaves your seat so clean, works very well. Very nice product. I know a weird product to talk about on a lifestyle channel, but we have to maintain our homes, don't we? So for cleaning of pots, this is something that works really well, and I would suggest you to give this product a try because it works bomb. So we are done with the haul of products. In this last section, I want to quickly share the price comparison of few products just to give an idea of how much price variation is there from all the famous products out there in market. Now it really depends upon quality of the product. If the quality of the product is very nice, you would require lesser amount of product for the same amount of work. So that kind of comes cheaper to you. So it really depends upon quality, but nevertheless Modicare products are reasonably priced, almost according to the prices that are there in the market. So I have compared 2 or 3 products which are very global kind of products. Rest you can see for yourself. There is a marginal difference of 20 to 30 rupees only. Sometimes it's lesser, sometimes it's more. So there is not like Modicare के products बहुत महंगे हैं या कुछ भी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. They are very reasonably priced. You can go and check out for yourself before you buy anything. I will be giving links of few products in the description bar below, so you can go and check out and you can buy from there as well. Otherwise I will be giving you the MCB number of my mother-in-law. If you use that MCB number to buy the products, you will get the discounted price, because if you buy through members these products, you get discounted price, not the original price that I have shown throughout the video, the discounted price. And in return my mother-in-law would get some points that will give you discount, and that will give bonus points to her. So it's a win-win situation. Nobody gets any harm there. So the few products that I have compared is like Harpic, Harpic 1 liter and Beyond Blue 750 ml, like the one that we have, which I told you is an amazing product, is kind of priced same. The only difference is that's 1 liter and that's 750 ml. But again, the quantity that you require of the product to clean is much less. So you can go ahead and see like that. Then there are wipes, Color Bar wipes, which are available for rupees 95 for 10 wipes. Whereas Urban Color wipes, the one that I've shown you, the makeup melting wipes, are priced 255 for 30 wipes. So if you do the calculation, for 10 wipes it was 95, for 30 wipes again it will be somewhere around 285, and whereas these are for 255. Neutrogena wipes are very highly priced, like 25 wipes बहुत highly priced है. So सब brands का अलग है. Every brand has this different pricing. It all depends upon quality. So use it and it is all worth it. Every penny that you give is worth it. Now again, I've compared this price of Noni juice. I don't know a very well known brand of Noni juice, so I searched it on Amazon and the price came out to be 460 rupees for 1 liter, and this is 500 rupees for 1 liter. And again, if you buy it using the MCB number, you get the discounts as well, so it will come down to 450 या फिर 400, तो नीचे तो आ ही जाएगा. So these are the few products that I compared. If you want whatever product you want, you can go ahead and compare the price. You can use the product, see the quality, and I'm definitely sure it will be all worth it. So yeah, this was the pricing section, and bas. Also, if you want to become a member of Modicare, you can let us know. We will be happy to do that for you. It has a lot of benefits and advantages, and you get a lot of stuff for free as well after a few months. So it has a lot of benefits. If you really want to go ahead with it, fill out the form that I will be linking in the description bar below, and we will reach out to you. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.